Missouri Workshop Calendar Orientation. All right, to get us started with our orientation, we're going to take a look at the search function within the calendar. So to get started, we are going to locate the search bar, which is in the top left-hand corner. You'll see it says search the calendar. So if we click in that, we can search from here directly. For a little bit more advanced search, we can go over to the advanced search button off to the right-hand side and click on that. Okay, so then below we have some more options on how we can search. We can search by title, by the description. We can also search by trainer, but for the trainer, you can use either the trainer's last name or their MOPD ID. You can search by approval number, by the city or county that the training is trainings are being held in, or the zip code. Okay, so for example, we're going to search by title, and we're going to search for trainings with CPR in the title. So then we'll hit the search button below. Okay, and then all of the trainings with CPR in the title that are listed on the Missouri Workshop Calendar will pop up below. You may see that on some of these it says private training in purple. That just means that the training, you have to be invited to that training. It's not open to the public. If it does not have private training listed next to it, then it is one that is open to the public. Okay. So that is our search function. So we are going to hit close search results here at the bottom left. And then we are going to take a look at the different tabs here on the calendar, different resources. So the first couple here are different views of the calendar. So the first one says month, and that's just our monthly view of the calendar that you're seeing in front of you now. And in this monthly view, how you open up an individual day is you'll see it says Monday. We're in the Monday column here, and it's Monday, October 1st. And when I hover over the section that has the number in it, number 1, it'll turn blue, light blue. And if I click on that, then that whole day view is going to come up for me. And it's going to list all the different sessions that are happening on that day. And then you can click in and take a look at each individual training and the details where it's going to be located from there. Okay, so we're going to exit out of there because there's not always enough space in the day view here that you'll see all of the trainings that are happening on that day. So you'll want to click in by the number to see all of your options. Okay, so then the next tab over is title week. And what this is it'll tell you, it'll give you a weekly view of the trainings. So then you'll have the pop-up come up, and these are all the trainings that are happening the week of 10, 11, 18, and so forth. And if you want to see the next week, you can arrow over with this blue tab here if you want to see the week before. You can do the same on the other direction. Okay, so then we're going to exit out of here. And then we're going to go over to the next tab. So the next tab is our online tab. So these are the online trainings that are happening in real time. That you'll have a trainer on the call with you, and it'll have to happen at a specific date and time. And then you access these the same way as you do the monthly view. You'll click on the bar with the number, the day that it is, and then you'll be able to see all of the trainings that are happening online on that day, as you can see here. And then click in to see the details just as usual. Okay, so then for our next tab is our online on demand. Okay, so our online on-demand trainings are all the trainings that are offered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can take them at any location as long as you have internet access. For further details as to how the online on-demand trainings work, please see the other video on our YouTube channel that is entitled Online On-Demand Trainings. Okay, so we are going to exit out of here and move on to our next tab. This one is titled Pre-Approved National. So if we click on this, we are going to see a PDF that comes up here. And it's a list of all of our approved conferences, trainings outside of Missouri. If you are interested in taking these pre-approved national conferences and trainings, attendance certificates should be sent directly to Open, as you can see here, as instructed. Okay. All right, so then our next tab is our First Aid CPR training tab. So if we click on that, you're going to see all the individuals here that have requested to be advertised on the Missouri Workshop Calendar, that they provide these services so that you can reach out to them and set something up. You will find what areas of the state that they cover on this tab. You will find contact information for them so that you can then set something up. Okay, so then our next tab is our Safe Sleep tab. This tab has all of the safe sleep trainings that have been approved by the state to meet that requirement. So here you're going to find their approval number, the title of that training, and amount of clock hours that they were approved for. Okay. All right, so then our final tab here is our Help tab, which we are always working on adding to. But let's take a look and see what we have so far here. So what we mainly have on here right now are instruction sheets. So if you're having a problem doing something or getting something to work, this is always a good place to start. So we have here on how to create an account on the calendar, and each one of these that you open up is going to have a PDF attached with that is instructions on how to do so. Okay, so then we have how to reset your password. And once again, an instruction sheet here on how to do so. And then you also have how to use the search function, how to renew a training, how to copy a training, and how to schedule a session. So these are just helps for you guys. If you need some further assistance, we're always welcome. We are always happy to help. You can reach us through the Contact Us button on the bottom of the calendar. All right, thank you very much for joining me for this orientation. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.